Hey you guys, an update on our work in progress here. Our project is Cessna 172 by Italeri. This one in 148 scale. Okay, as you remember guys, we are moving with this project slowly but steadily. It turned out very fiddly because of the weight and balance distribution. The model tends to drop on its tail, so we had to put all kinds of weights into the fuselage, into the wing even, into the fuselage, the wing, the front of the fuselage. We put a lot of bearing balls like that. Here behind the dash, we put a couple of them. We put also some keys under the floor of the cockpit. The floor will go over the key like that. You won't be able to see it. We put some keys inside the wing. If you remember from the previous episodes, we put a couple of keys here and here because the keys are pretty slim. They fitted right into the slots in between the wing halves. So now we're sending all the parts, a lot of sending, you guys. The quality of the kit is, I don't know, 50-50. The kit is obviously not very new design. I think it's like 1980s or 90s or whatever. Also, the cockpit is very fiddly, the engine is very fiddly. We are finding the way to make the propeller spinnable, because what they propose is this flimsy kind of strut that you're supposed to put inside the engine, in between the engine halves. I don't know, it becomes all flimsy and the propeller spins not very nicely, not very good, not very well. Okay, we are figuring this out. Also, we went ahead and removed the cowling of the engine. You see here, guys, we use this scriber here to scribe the sides of the cowling like that, and we were able to remove it. Where it is, here it is. We removed the cowling of the engine, the upper part. We had to glue some styrene, in order for it to remain its shape, its dimensions. Okay, so here's an update, you guys. Also, we are working on a pilot. Obviously, it's very interesting variant of the Skyhawk. It's a red square landing by a very daring German pilot, Matthias Rust, who in 1987, you guys, he went ahead and flew an unauthorized flight over the Soviet airspace, and he actually was able to land at the red square. So here's a figure of this guy. We are working on it, still missing its legs and hands, but we will manufacture them out of a putty. We're using like 2-component epoxy putty for that. Okay, so here is the update, you guys. We're using a lot of tools. The kit is not simple, it's not for beginners, but hopefully we'll be able to build quite a nice model out of it. It's got very interesting decals, particularly this Matthias Rust's version. Here's his version. Okay, the call sign of the airplane, Echo Charlie Juliet Bravo, a German flight club. He used that airplane to land on the red square, as it shows here, you guys. Anyways, small segue. We also have this project on the table. One of the classics, Calsonic, for all you Nissan Skyline lovers there. We're making this thing happen. Not a smooth ride, you guys. as the skyline suggests, but still we're making some progress. I will update you later, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and follow for more. We'll keep our work on. Thank you all, guys.